What's the longest sneeze ever recorded? Try 976 days straight. Almost 3 years. In the 1980s, a woman named Donna Griffiths began sneezing, and didn't stop for 976 days. Doctors documented every episode, and for the first year she averaged up to a sneeze a minute. Her record still stands untouched today, because no one else has ever come close. This wasn't a cold. It was a rare neurological trigger that kept firing non-stop. Imagine trying to live, sleep, or even eat, while sneezing for years. Follow MindPop daily for more unbelievable true records.